Hi, welcome back to another App Inventor video. Today, I am going to show you how to make an internet app with App Inventor. Believe it or not, this is a very simple thing to do. First of all, we are going to get rid of the screen 1 right here. How we do that is we go to title, visible, and we will get it so that's not there. So now we are going to drag inside layout a horizontal arrangement. We're going to simply drag this inside, and we are going to drag 3 buttons in. As you can see, we now have 3 buttons. So we need to make this look nicer. You're going to go ahead and click here or anywhere that does not have any component. And as you can see, screen 1 is now selected. Let's first start to put this inside the center. So all we have to do that is we can change it. It's in align horizontal. You can change it right, you can go center, or left. You can of course change it to whatever you want. I really like center. And then for this next step, we can go ahead and just pop these in for spacing. So if you click on one of these are meant for a horizontal arrangement, but they also work really well for spacing, like I said. So let's change the height to 20 pixels. Yeah, let's change actually, I'm gonna go with 40 pixels. So you really want to do around 40 pixels, or stuff will happen that you don't really want to happen because it might cut off the buttons or stuff like that. I'm gonna get it so it's both 40 pixels, and then the width we are going to change. I'm gonna do 20 by 20. So now we are going to change the text for button 1. We are going to call this back. I'm going to call this go for the search button. And next. So I'm actually going to call this back page. So the back page button is basically, or you can just call that back. I just did this because it was really easy and quick. It's just the first thing that popped to my mind. So back, this will take you to the previous page and the page that you already were at, in the future. So, and then this will allow you to search. So now we are going to drag out web viewer, and we're going to change this back page. As you can see, that shows up in button 1. It's going to click rename down here, back page, rename. We are going to change this to go, and next page. Okay, now that that is all done, we can head on into blocks. So this is very easy to code. You're going to click on the go. When go.click, I'm going to go to web viewer, and we are going to drag this command out. Set web viewer 1 to home URL. So how we are going to do this is, how we're going to do this is, what we're going to do is we are basically going to go to Google. We're going to type in Google. So this is basically just going to act as a window to Google. And if you click, so I'm using Safari as my set browser. So I just click on Google, and then if I want to go back up to the search bar up here, I would get something highlighted. It's like hips www.google.com/?silent equals Safari, all of that stuff. So we are going to copy this, and I'm going to go ahead and close this tab, and we are going to drag out text and Command V. So it's basically just telling it to go to Google, but we do want to make some slight modifications. So we are going to want to make some slight modifications to this. So this is going to be in the comments section right here. So this is telling it to go to Google on basically appinventor. So before I was using Safari, that's why I said Safari, but yeah. So if you don't know how to get this, because I'm very bad at explaining this, you can go ahead and pop down to the comment section below. So before I continue, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and tell me which videos you would like me to make next. So we are going to click on the back page when backpage.clickDo, and we're going to set that to something. So I want you guys to have a minute to just try and figure out what it is. Okay, so we are going to go when backpage.click. As you can see, I already did that. So if you have 2 of these, it will give you 2 warnings. But if you delete one, you will now have 0 warnings. So we are going to go to Web Viewer, and we are going to go down, all the way down, and we are actually going to find these purple ones. So we have all of these. We're going to call go back, and we can go ahead, duplicate this, and next page, and we can go ahead and delete this command. And we can call go forward web page viewer 1. So we can go ahead and delete that. So that's actually going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.